Hey guys, and welcome back to this video. Now in this particular video we are talking about unordered list and ordered list. In some cases we are using those kind of tags to understand the lists. So list is containing the items and we want to represent it. Okay, let's get started. So for the unordered list we just need to pass ul unordered list, enter. Now inside unordered list we need to pass lists. Okay, one single item when we are trying to pass we need to say li so that it will say list. Let's say yeah, coffee. Again the next list will be like tea, and third will be like, let's say, soft drink. Okay, that's it. Now let's run this so that we will see that how exactly those things are working. So what we can do, you can see this is unordered list. Now what if you wanted to go for order list? Okay, in that case we can just copy this thing and just comment down this, and let's go with control V, and for the unordered list we are passing ul. If you want order list you just need to pass ol, and that's it. You can see it's ordered. Okay, 1 2 3 and this kind of numeric ordering format is here. So I hope now you got the point. There are a couple of properties are actually presented in ordered list, like styles and all these things that we will cover in next couple of videos. But for now just understand the unordered list and order list. If you wanted to pass something in order list you just need to specify with li, or you wanted to pass something in ol ul anything, you need to use li there. Okay, I hope you get the point. Let's catch up in the next one.